evening. This is Ashish, suggestion number UR15CR038. Today I'm going to show you the web experiment number 7, that is jQuery. So here's the model page that we have to design using jQuery. So there should be a model window, there should be a slide menu bar, there should be image thumbnails and all. So now let's check the code. So here's the code for the jQuery that I have written in that. So like I have imported as a CSS page in that also. Then using a script tag, I've imported the script jQuery's JavaScript. In a script tag, I have written document.ready function. In that ready function, I have given two ID name, the name2.click function. Then animate left to the 590 pixels. Then in the first name hashtag name 1 in animate, the top will be 2 pixel and opacity will be 0.6. Then another fader.fade in, I have given the fade in value as 1000. Then in a function I have given play button in this, like click on the click it will be play button. Then pop-up function will use that fade in 400. Then close button I have click function, then pop-up fade out will be 80. Then VR video is equal to player dot attribute source. This is the video that I have attached into the page. So player dot attribute is source, then player dot attribute source and video. Then in function like cast author dot click function and cast panel dot toggle 200. Then plot author dot click function, then plot panel dot toggle, and rating author dot click function and rating panel dot toggle. So these are the three pop-up windows like that I have created in this slide down top menus kind of that I have created in this. Then in this like click function, images will be there in that. Now coming to the HTML part, this was all about the JavaScript part, jQuery part. Then coming about the HTML part, then in body tag under header I've given a name1, name2 I've given as force of it something randomly name I've given. Then vader.png that I have inserted an image. Then in this section ID I've created ID. In this center trigger class will be trigger, class name is trigger, and ID is play button. Then and again class will be pop up. In this iframe player width I've given as 560, height has given 315, and this is the image video source that I have inserted in that page. Then class triggers and ID will be close button, and close will be displayed. Then again I have created a section ID called accordion, and this button class accordion trigger ID cast author cast. Division ID is equal to cast panel, class will be panel. Then table ID is equal to cast table with 60%. Then I've given something name in that list. I've created a list. In this I've given something name and close the body and table and division tag. Now I created a button in this accordion trigger ID plot author plot, and then division plot panel class panel, and then something will be displayed while clicking on that button. These are the things that will be going to display. And in this I have inserted in division ID thumbs container, and then ID visual frame sample. These are the images that have been inserted in this division ID. Again ID called preview, and this I have inserted the video images. Then I close the center, I close the section tag, I close the body tag, and finally the HTML tag. Now we're going to discuss about the CSS page data. Here I've given as padding 0 pixel, margin is 0 pixel, font family as Roboto and all. Then in header I have given as background color as something color I've given, then height as 100 pixel. Then in ID that a name has been created, that color I have given as white, font size 30 pixel, position absolute, top will be 55 pixel, left will be 8 pixel, cursor will be default. Then in name 2 also I've given color, font size, color as the color I have given, font size as 10 pixel I have given. Then talking about the position, that position is absolute, then top will be 88 pixel, left will be 10 pixel, transition will be 0.8 second, and cursor will be default. Again name 2 I have given hover, and this color will be white, and Vader ID I have given as height, width as 60 pixel, opacity as 0.8, position as absolute, and top will be 38 pixel, left will be 2 pixel, and display will be none. These are the things of for the top bar. Then talking about the rest of the thing, like this is the triggers I have created in this. Margin I've given as auto, text align I've given as center, background color will be white, color will be like I've given something random color, then width will be 200 pixel, and the font size will be 220 pixel, border size will be solid, and transition will be 0.6 second, and cursor will be pointer. And this play button, under this play button ID I've given a margin top as 50 pixel, then close button ID I've given as margin top as 10 pixel, then triggers will be hover, and the color I've given, color and border I've given as something, and border I've given as a solid. Then in pop-up also, like position I've given top, these are the class that have been created. So position is top, position as absolute top will be 108 pixel, left will be 360 pixel, and display I've given as null. Then in trailer ID, display I've given none, width will be 560, height will be 315. Again in the player ID, this was the border I have given. So this was the for the model box that we have to create. This was the for the model box. Then coming about the accordion ID, again they have given margin top, width, margin left, according to your class I have given something. So these are all the things for the accordion that have to create, that we have created. Now this was the now these are the things like thumbs container, visuals, thumb class, then preview ID, full image class, full image ID. So these are the all the things for the rest of the page. So now we want to see the output of that. So here's the output for that web page that we have to create. So first thing is like, I'm gonna click on that. So this is the image that we have created. It will hover and all. Second thing, play trailer. So trailer is being played, and this is trailer is being played and all. Now I have to close it. Then these are the top down menu. So cast, I have clicked on that. Pilot, I have clicked on that. Ratings, I have clicked on that. Talking about the image samples, like suppose I have to this image is selected, suppose I have to select this image, so it will become like this. Again for this image it will come like this, for this it will come, for this it will come. So this was all about the jQuery that we have to create the sample web page. Thank you.